Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. My name is Raviteja. Let's solve today's Leetcode problem 190 reverse bits. Reverse bits of a given 32-bit signed integer. Okay, this is n and its binary representation is this. Okay, and if you see, these characters are came into the front. Okay, because they are reversing this. So if you reverse this particular string, you will get this. Okay, now what I have done is, for a given number I have generated its binary representation. Okay, and then on on its binary representation I am trying to traverse in the reverse order and then converting into the int. Okay, so what I have done is I have created an bits string. Okay, on this bit string I'm taking this integer and then trying to get its binary representation from the last. Okay, so I'm checking whether its last bit is set to 0 or 1. If it was set to 0, then I'm adding it to my bits, or else I'm adding 1, and then I am left shifting it. Okay, so I'm every time I'm checking its last bit and adding it into my bits string. Okay, if you see, in the end my bits will contain the reverse representation of my initial input. Now on this reverse input I have to start from the end and then convert it into the binary representation. Okay, so I will be starting at end, and initially the last bit is basically 2 power 0, that means 1, and the next bit is of power 2 power 1, which is 2, and so on and so forth, right? And 2 power will increase. Okay, so initially I've set power to 1 and answer to 0, and then I'm iterating from the last bit. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm doing if the current bit, whatever the value of the current bit is, times the power. Okay, so for the last one it will be 0 times 2 power 1, 0 times 2 power 0, 0 times 2 power 1, 0 times 2 power 2, and so on and so forth. Okay, and then I'm adding this particular value to my answer. Okay, and then I'm also left shifting my 1, so that every time the power of this particular number will increase by 1. Okay, so initially it will be 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, and so on and so forth. Okay, and one thing you have to take care is your reverse string should contain 32 characters. Okay, so that is what I am doing. Not necessary every number will have the set bits of 32 characters. Okay, so there will be some leading zeros. Okay, so we should make sure that we are also adding these leading zeros. So as long as my bits length is less than 32, okay, if the number has already become 0, then I will be adding all the zeros to it. Okay, this way we will be generating the reverse string in 32 bits. If you submit this problem, all the test cases will be passed, and it will be pretty efficient solution as well. Okay, if you like the explanation, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also share your valuable feedback in the comment section. I will be posting solution link in the description as well as in the comment section for multiple languages. Thank you.